Well, if you want to be successful, so you have to get out of your comfort zone. Successful people usually they struggle and they strive for their success. Sitting in your comfort zone and living in the world of your fantasies does not make you successful. In order to be successful, you got to be restless. Don't take rest. Don't care about what you wear. Don't care about what you eat. Your own prime focus and accentuation must be towards your goal. But unfortunately, most of the people here in the Asian countries, they don't know about the importance of goal setting. And most of the people, they don't have any specific goal in their life. So first, set a goal, and after that, fight for it, strive for it, and hustle for it in order to be successful.